different. What kind of class are you thinking? I was thinking of theater and arts. How about you?
Chess. Chess. Oh my god, girl.
Oh, what is this?
That just sitting in the middle of Discover.
Close up. Meet us at room 110. Where's that?
Help.
I brought you here today for one reason and one reason only. But before I get to that reason, let me tell you how it all started. In 1971, a group of people, old men specifically, came together and had this idea to bring all the young, brilliant minds of America to one place, and one place only. That place is Washington, D.C. Now, Max, my friend, I'm not here to hurt you. Let me tell you about the Close Up Program. The Close Up Program is a program founded by the United States of America in Washington, D.C., where they bring all the young, brilliant minds of America and across the world to Washington, D.C. to give them the close-up experience of the government, the history, and the people. Now, I can see you're shaking with excitement. So if you're interested in joining the Close Up Program, I will tell you how to do it. During Student Service Week, when the school year starts, we bring all the students together at one booth to tell them more about the Close Up Program, how they can join, what are the requirements, and what do they need to do to get a plane ticket to Washington, D.C. You can sign up there, but if you are unfortunate and you missed the day, no worries. You can either contact the teacher in charge, or you could go see a previous student who went on the trip and ask them on how to sign up.
Close Up. Come and see a journey meant to be for you.